Hi guys, welcome back. So on my last birthday, my mom gave me this watch that I totally adore. I love the color and it's just so me. But when I tried it on, it didn't fit properly. It was loose and I was afraid it would slide off. And since then, it's been lying in my drawer because I've been too lazy to go out and get it fixed. But when I saw it today, I felt so bad. So I did some research to see if there's something I could do to remove those extra links. And turns out that there is a fix. And it's pretty simple. Today I'm going to show you how to resize a loose watch strap. Here's what you need to get this to fit right. A small screwdriver and a pair of pliers. The first thing to do is to actually wear the watch. Now pinch the links together to get an idea of how many we'll need to remove to make the watch fit. For my hand, I'm going to need to remove 2 links. So I'll remove one link from this side and one link from this side. Now let's set the watch down on a soft surface so you don't scratch or damage it. Next, we need to analyze the watch to see how the extra links need to be removed. So by looking at the sides of the watch, you will see this screw. It has 2 sides, one which is flat and one which is round. We need to push the round side of the screw out. Now just FYI, some watches have arrows on specific links which point in the direction the pins should exit. The arrow is pointing right, so I'm just going to push this link from the left and it will exit from the right side. Now let's grab the screwdriver and insert it gently into the hole on the round side of the screw. I'll use the handle of the pliers to tap the screwdriver until the screw pops out a little. With the help of the pliers, I'll pull out the screw completely. We'll repeat the same process and take out the screw from the adjacent link. So now we've got this link off. Now to close it up again, insert the screw back into the empty hole from the side where it came out from. Make sure the round side goes in first. It won't go in all the way, so we'll just tap it gently with the handle of the pliers. Now I'll repeat this process on the other side. Don't forget to save your removed links in case you ever need to replace them. Now I'm done removing the extra links and my beautiful watch fits perfectly and I can finally start wearing it more often. If you have a watch that doesn't fit well, do give this DIY a try. That's it from me today. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.